Hi everyone, and welcome to Tuesday Tutorials with Sinead and Reagan. Today it's just Sinead, but Reagan will be posting also. So here's my first video. I'm going to be teaching you Don't Stop Believing by Journey. Now many say this song is really hard to learn, but once you piece it together, all it takes is practice. The right hand's super easy to learn, and so is the left hand. It's just putting it together which is tricky. So let's get started. We'll start with the right hand. As you can see, I've labeled most of the keys on my piano so that it's just easier to learn. First off, we're going to start on the right hand with two B's, if you can reach that high, it's just an entire octave, with an E in the middle. And you want to treat this like it's one note, so you're going to be playing at the same time. And you'll probably notice this part of the song. We go like this. So try that a few times. So I'm going to play you the first part of the right hand, just like really quick, so you can know what you're about to be learning. So. And that's basically it for the entire song of the right hand. It's only 4 different chords. Well, technically 3 because you repeat one of them. So like I said, you're going to start with the B's, and you're just going to do the B and the E at the same time right here, and follow with this. And you want to start with this, so you don't want to go like, because that doesn't sound right. So you want to go. Now once you have that part, all you're moving is this pointer finger from the E to the F sharp, and then you go. Together that sounds like this. Move right back down to here again, so it's the same note. Now you're keeping this finger on the E, and all you're doing is moving these B's down to the A's. So see what I did there? It's these. So then you go. And that's it. So let's play it together so you can practice some more. Up, back down, and move. Alright everybody, now that we've done the right hand, it's time to learn the left hand. Now this is the really fun part because you really start to hear the song. And these are both pretty easy. Like, the right hand might have seemed hard at first, but once you do it, it's a piece of cake. So here we go. So I'm going to play the left hand first, just so that you can hear what you're about to be playing. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, I started and I did 2 different pieces of the song, you could say. And so basically, you start with the same, like you go, and then it just gets different from here. So, okay, so I'm going to teach it to you step by step. And if you're writing all the notes down so you'll remember it later, it starts with an E, and then it's going to go F sharp, G sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, C, D sharp, E, A, D sharp, E, C, and you're back to the start again. So basically, play over that part of the video so you can learn that first part until you do this next part, which I'm about to show you. So this next part is the second part of the song, and so you are going to want to start on the E again. And then once you go C sharp, then instead of going right here and then back down, you go E, G sharp, then move back down to the A sharp, and go back down to the E. And just keep doing it. That's the first part. E. Sorry for flipping the camera back and forth so much. I'm going to play this left hand all together one more time so you can just see it, and yeah, and so you can just go back on the video where I play it slower and practice it some more. And then I'll play it all together in a little bit. So let's do this one more time. E, F, G, B, Nice job, guys. You got through the entire song. Now, I would consider practicing both right and left apart like 10 billion times because it takes a while to get them in your head, but once they do, they stick forever. So, next I'm going to be showing you how to play it all together. Okay, so playing it all together is a little bit tricky, but once you learn it, you get it really good. So, I'm going to start by, once you remember this thing? Okay, well, so we're going to start by doing that and placing this like this, the B and the E, you know, surrounded like this, and then, and then once you do that, so I'm just going to play it really slow for you really quick. So to play it really slow, you're going to start with this over here, the B's, and then you're going to hit the E and the B at the same time as you hit the E down here. So it's going to go F sharp, G sharp, B as you hit up here, C sharp, D sharp, and then you're going to move back down to the E, down to the A as you move your fingers down on the right to the A. Keep going up here. And then, now for the second part of the song, you're going to be doing the same beginning, so let me play that real quick. Here you're going to go up. Sorry, my bad. You're going to go to the D sharp as you hit it. Right as you hit the G sharp, you're going to hit the D sharp. So right here. So right here. Back down to the A. Hi guys, thanks so much for watching Tutorials on Tuesdays. I really hoped you liked the song Don't Stop Believing. I know it got kind of complicated, but hopefully you can rewatch the video and keep learning it and stuff, and soon you'll be able to play it like a pro. Thank you so much, and subscribe!